a square paper and then fold it. Fold it in the other way. Marker point 2 inches from the middle on all 4 sides. Cut to the point that you marked. Glue in the center and then take one part of the triangle and glue it. Glue it in all 4 sides. Take a small piece of cardboard and then pin it. Take a wooden stick and then place it in the back. Pin the fan to the stick. My pinwheel is ready. Let's see how fast